Welcome everybody to episode 2 of Margaret River, where we're going to actually do the wineries, the caves, and we might finish off with a chocolate factory. So our first cave, here we are, is a Mammoth Cave on Caves Road.
Bottles of Zygo Maturus. This is 1,000 kilogram wombat.
Yes.
And Thylacoleo. This is the biggest carnivorous marsupial ever to live. Enjoy. You'll hear all that on those.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Have a great day.
We're at Mammoth Cave.
Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by, but these are my deepest secrets. Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by, but these are my deepest secrets. Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by, but these are my deepest secrets. Running through my mind at night, think about you all the time. Not sure I'm getting by. These are my deepest secrets. I cannot let it go.
Our first winery for the day is Swings and Roundabouts. And this winery, we're having our first wine tasting. So
Hang on to your hat, here we go.
Batch we did for Christmas. Again, it's method champenoise, and it's made from Shiraz fruit. Very subtle, dry, elegant, with just a little bit of berry in there.
So this winery is a little bit different. This is a fully certified organic winery. So we got the spiel from the girls that run it, and really interesting. Tasted a couple of wines, but we didn't buy any here.
So we're called into Cheeky Monkey Brewery to just sample some of their boutique beers and just have a...
Well, more than a couple, but anyway, that don't matter.
Well worth a visit. So we're on to our next one, which is the Brewing Co. And this is where we're going to have lunch. Beautiful entrance.
And really nice winery, and just toss it in really good tucker. So we had a good feed here. Nice, good sized feed for big fellas, which suits me.
So we've had lunch and we're off to our next winery, which is Domaine Naturalistic Winery. What a beautiful place this one is. Once again, tasted some wines. Didn't actually buy any though.
So this particular winery is Vasse Felix, which is actually pretty famous. Beautiful grounds, and a really nice art gallery here. So we did have a bit of a sip here and looked at a bit of art till it changed from contemporary to whatever it changed to. I couldn't see it in the end. Okay, so this is Bettanays Winery. This is my favourite place in Margaret River, and not because of the wines. Why, bub?
Because it has beautiful nougat and liqueurs.
Yeah, these guys make nougat bar, and they've got just such a huge range, and this nougat is just unbelievable. It's really beautiful.
And you can actually see them making it because the kitchen or the where they make it is a glass and you can see through. So the last place was Bob's favourite, but this is definitely my favourite.
This is the great tradition that we have to finish the bloody day.
The chocolate factory. And oh my goodness, if you love chocolate, then this is the place to go. So funny. We're with our friends Catherine and David, and they have these little barrels of chocolate where you can just scoop out and just eat it while you're browsing and deciding what to buy. It's fantastic.
Another cave. This one's called Giant Cave. Bit different, this one. They throw a hat on, give you a torch, and send you down a bloody black hole. And you got to find your way out, basically. This is a self-guided cave tour, and it's just amazing. Jennifer really loves this one.
Ladders, ropes, and lots of tight places. So
yeah, not so tight for you, but tight for my big gut.
And starts forming the crystals. So drop by drop, they kind of tend to form in.
She said I'm a free man, free to do just what I like, but I just don't seem to like what's new to me. Now I'm no one's man, and these streets that I've been walking, they make me feel like nothing. I tell my friends it's here where we begin. I say I'm better than I've ever been. It's like an said now you're free, man. You better chase those dreams, and I don't think you're the perfect fit for me.
So after our cave exploration, we decided to hit Margaret River Bakery, and this is quite iconic for this region. So pop in, it's quite quirky and delicious food. Well, that's it for this episode. We hope you enjoyed the experience of the wineries and the caves.
And that's only a bit of a look at it. So you guys need to come and do this yourself. It's amazing. And if you can't, subscribe, give us a like, and we'll take you to more places of interest. See ya.